Hi everyone, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I want to share with you this Ghanaian cuisine. This is Gari Jollof, or locally called Gari Fortor. It's so healthy, very delicious, and I know after watching this video you're going to love making yourself your own Gari Jollof. And so if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so to start with the base of the stew, I'm going to go ahead and add in my cooking oil, and I'm going to add in some coriander seed, dried rosemary, cloves, and some curry powder to give the oil flavor. Okay, with this way your stew is going to smell really good and also going to taste really good as well. So next we're going to go ahead and add in some chopped onions. Let the onions release its flavors to the oil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can go ahead and add in the next ingredient. Alright, so after extra 2 minutes we're going to add in some blended garlic and ginger, and I'm also going to add in some blended pepper and some onions as well. Stir everything together, cover it, and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 10 more minutes, the base of the stew is looking all good right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some basil leaves for extra flavor and also for healthy living. This is totally optional, and to that I'm going to add in some tomato paste as well. Mix it all together, cover it, and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 5 to 10 more minutes. And so I really want this stew to cook down very well, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some water. If you have meat stock or fish stock, you can go ahead and add it to it. It will give the stew extra flavors. Okay, mix it all together, cover it again, and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. And so let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new babies right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos. Fam, I am truly grateful. And so I'm going to go ahead and add in some seasoning and the salt to taste. The seasoning and the salt is always to your taste. Allow it to cook on medium heat for extra 5 minutes, and there you go, your stew is all ready now. And I didn't use all this all-purpose stew for my Gari photo. I set some aside, and this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some corned beef, and if you haven't used corned beef in your Gari photo, you are missing out a whole lot of goodies. So kindly try it and thank me later. And for vegetables, I'm going to go in with some green bell peppers and red bell pepper, and I'm also going to add in some chopped onions as well. You can use any vegetable that you prefer. Okay, stir everything together, and since this is frozen vegetables, especially the green bell peppers and the red bell peppers, so I'm going to allow it to steam a little bit before I'll add in my Gari. And so I'm going to sprinkle a little water on my Gari to make it a little bit moist. Okay, you can add it raw if you want, but it will be very crunchy if you add it straight to the stew, but I don't want it like that. I really want the Gari to be a little bit soft so I can enjoy this Gari photo very well. Okay, so next I'm going to give this a very good mix. Then you can go ahead and add in your Gari, because I don't want the vegetables to be very soft. I want it a little bit crunchy. So if you want it soft, go ahead and steam it more for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I want it this way. Okay, add in your Gari and mix it all together, and there you have your Gari Jollof. If you haven't tried this recipe before, fam, what are you waiting for? Kindly do try this your malicious Gari photo and give me your feedback after you are done trying it, okay? And also let me know your thoughts about this recipe right in the comment section. I garnished this with some spring onions, and I also enjoyed this with some avocado. You can enjoy with any meat at all of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you've enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video to reach wider audience. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.